decision, lose all intention. Who can appease this pathetic reasoning, interpreting your own opinion? Look at you all, dressed to prove now we can see all the demons you disguise, creating two roads. They don't deserve this. You can't conceal all the demons you disguise. Withdraw your silence, complete the sequence. It's so apparent that you've lost the meaning. Since you've addressed me without consulting me, you're hidden from me, the very sight of me. Look at you all, dressed to prove now we can see all the demons you disguise, creating two roads. They don't deserve this. You can't conceal all the demons you disguise. She spent her whole life waiting to hear those words that were never said. So she wrote them down in a place that no one knows. She tried so many faces on that no one knew who she really was. Then we wonder why. What else could we have said to change her from that frame of mind? Instead of reaching out, we ignored all of the obvious signs. I'm sorry for how you felt. What difference had I only tried? Why would you hate yourself? How could you let them put you there? But it's too late to change that now. He spent his whole life hiding a secret that he was afraid to tell. So he moved away to a place that took away all the beauty that made him so wonderful. How could we hate his life for the demons he fights? 'Cause he doesn't wanna fight anymore. Change him from that her whole life waiting to hear those words that were never said. Did we wonder why? Walk this line. You put Should have known the day she met him, he was going to put her down. Never thought there was a chance. She never knew I've known about it. Broken and pinned to the ground and beating just inches from the submission. And when he forced himself upon her, everything that's lost would never be found. Only to hope no one will ever. Was walking away, there's nowhere to run. When there's never been a home, like a thrown away, a wanted possession. Nothing's ever really on. It seems so hard to leave with a broken promise that was never intended to keep. Now I do go with what she carries, what she plans to keep safe, what she plans to keep was made. Now it's obviously impossible to convince the world of her innocence. She's branded. Just give it away, you can terminate. You're just 15 years old, your whole life is wasted, but it's yours. Was walking away, there's nowhere to run. When there's never been a home, like a thrown away, a wanted possession. Nothing's ever really on. It seems so hard to leave with a broken promise that was never intended to keep. Now I do go with what she carries, what she plans to keep and save, away from everyone that's thrown away. This time is her one time to make everything alright. To keep means to hold on to the one thing that she's ever had. Was walking away, there's nowhere to run. When there's never been a home, like a thrown away, a wanted possession. Nothing's ever really on. It's so hard to leave with a broken promise that was never intended to keep. Now I have to go with what she carries, what she plans to keep safe, what she plans to keep was made. Reaching for the first thing that walks by, holding on to all that's left behind. She about how much you weighed. It's a little girl, they said. I already knew your name. Do you like your little hat I made? Thought she might wear it home when we finally see that day. In the house with many rooms, she hides a cardboard tomb inside a little teddy bear with what she wanted her to wear. She thinks it's all her fault that she never get to see her walk with the letter she starts to write. Dear baby, mommy tried. She tried. She tried. She tried. Now I lay you down to sleep one more time. In the house with many rooms, she hides a cardboard tomb inside a little teddy bear with what she wanted her to wear. She thinks it's all her fault that she never get to hear her song and the letters she starts to write. Dear baby, mommy tried. Mommy tried. Hey, wait a minute, I just got here. I thought it's too long to surrender in fear. Hey, wait a second, where are you going? Where have you been? It's only been my life. It's always been your fake glass guy. You got me crucified. choice you made.